Good morning, dear children. Today I will explain again flow chart. So, what is the next sign of this one? In this one, so you can see here. You know this one. This one we have discussed. This one we have discussed. Or this one also. And this one is one more sign. This one is for the output sign. Okay. Arrow sign. You know this one. Okay. So now, next sign is here. One more sign is here, this one, conditional one. So what is the use of this sign? This sign is used to check the condition. Okay, this sign you will use to check the condition. So suppose you are putting any condition to solve a problem or program. So there will be two possibilities. Two possibilities हो सकती हैं. First one, either it will be true or false. या तो सही होगा या गलत होगा. So how will you do this one? Please see this in this program. So one program I have written here. Draw the flow chart to check any number is even or odd. So my dear, I have told you कि just before starting any program, you think what is the requirement of this, what is the requirement of the program. First of all, you try to find out this one. So my dear, in this one you can see, check any number is even or odd. Means what? First of all, you will take a number which one you want to check. First of all, one number is required. So what is your requirement? One number. So same. First of all, you start it here. Start. I have written here start. Move on the next step. You can see here, move on the next step. Clear? In this step you can see here, int a I have taken. What is the meaning of int a? Int a is what? It is a variable in which you will store your number. What is in a? A is your number. आपका number a में है. So what is the meaning of a? A will store your number. Move on the next step. Here. Now, how can you check any number is even or odd? So to check number is even or odd, you will use this sign, na? Diamond sign. So here I have drawn this same sign here. So in this sign, what will you do? In this sign, we will check condition. So what will be the condition of to check any number is even or odd? So when you will divide your number, suppose 5 you want to check is even or odd, so you will divide 5 by 2. Okay, 2 3s are, 2 2s are 4. Remainder is 1. So here remainder is 1 means what? 5 is not a even number. Clear? So if remainder will be 1, so your number, when you will divide your number by 2, or your remainder is what? 1. So means what? Your number is not even. So suppose when it will be even, when your remainder will be a 0. So first of all, what will you do? You will divide your number by 2 and check what is the remainder. If remainder is 0, answer what will be the answer? Number is even. The same thing you will do here. So here two signs I will use here. First one, this one. Two signs I will use here. Okay. What is the sign? This one. Two signs we can use here. This one. First one is the modulus. This sign is what? This is you will use for to check the remainder. You will use to check the remainder. Or this sign you will use, okay, to check the quotient. Means what? If you want to find out the remainder, you will use this sign. Okay. So same thing here. First start, then take a number, and here what will you check? A is divided by, you divide a by 2. So what sign I have used here? Modulus, because I want to check remainder. Okay, so that's why you write here a modulus. You can see in this one a modulus 2. 2 times I have written here equals to. This is a equals to sign in Java. This one is not equals to. This one is equals to sign. Okay, so what is there? So this answer means what? Please pay attention. When you will write a modulus 2, so it will return what? Remainder. If this remainder is equals to what? 0. So there will be two possibilities. या 0 होगा या नहीं होगा, ट्रू और फॉल्स. तो सेम थिंग यू कैन सी हियर कि इफ a modulus 2 equals to 0, if yes then it will move this side, and what will be the output? Print number is even. If no, it will come this side, and what will be output? Number is odd. Then stop. Suppose you have taken 4. So what is in A? 4. Suppose what is in A? 4. So what will happen here? When you will take 4 in A, so it will check here. Now 4 modulus 2 means what? Remainder will be 0. Condition is true, you will come this side. And what will be the answer? Number is even and stop. Only one condition will be true here. Yes or no. Not both. Clear? So you can see here, suppose you have taken in A5. It will move this side. Okay. And then number is odd and stop. Same thing you can do in this next program. What is here? Draw a flow chart to find biggest number to within 2 numbers. So for what is the requirement of this program? 2 numbers. So start, then take 2 numbers. So your first number in A, second number in B. Now you check here. If, now condition box here, if A is more than B, if true, then what will happen? A is greatest. And suppose A more than B, no means what? B is greater than. Here you will not take A and B same. I am telling you, suppose A is more than B or B is more than A. Just I am checking here, I am not checking here equals to. That's why A and B should be different. So if this condition is wrong, then it will move no side, and true, then it will move right side, mean yes side. So yes or no side you can see here. And if yes side you will move, A is greatest. No side when you will move, suppose cursor is going on which side? Yeah, you are moving on the next no side. So what will be output? B is greatest. Stop. So next one you will do there. Draw flow chart to take age of a person. Means what? What will you store in A? Age. Age कुछ भी मान लेंगे. If age is more than or equals to 18, then eligible for vote should be print output, and not eligible for vote. अगर more 18 or more than 18, then what will be output? Eligible for vote. Suppose condition is wrong, means what? Less than 18, then what will be output? Not eligible for vote. Okay, so do this one. Thank you.